Good morning! Morning, everybody. Oh my gosh, turbulence. It is April 12th, Tuesday, 9:19 in the morning. We woke up and got all ready. We tried to have breakfast at the hotel. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't the best. So I think we're gonna go by and get something else to eat. But today is Grand Canyon Day, I think.
It is. We were gonna spend another day in LA, but we were tired.
Not LA.
I mean, Las Vegas. We were tired of it, so we're like, you know what? Let's just move on. We're gonna go to the Grand Canyon, and this is gonna let us spend a whole day in Phoenix. So yeah.
Yeah. So we're excited. This is the one I was excited for. I mean, I was excited for everything, but I'm excited for the Grand Canyon and things. So we've got all of our sports clothes, our workout clothes or whatever.
But it's so windy still.
Yes.
It's cold.
It's not like gray like it was. See, remember like the dust storm gray? Do you even see it? There we go. So yesterday it was like dust storm gray and everything. No longer dust storm gray, but it is still very windy, and the wind is like nippy. You know what I mean? Like cold nippy. So I was gonna say Arizona things, but it's not Arizona. What is it? Nevada? Nevada thing. So anyways, welcome to day 2 of spring break. Ooh, mama. Let me see that. Let me see yours. Oh, yours is. Wait, I can't see. This. What color is that? Like peach color? No, mine is pink. Look it. Look it. Look it. Look it. Look it.
Do you like it? That's a real question. Do you actually like it?
Well, let's find out. We're about to find out.
Because the one I usually get is the pink tree. Oh, I get the pink tree.
Okay, girls. Smells delicious.
Do you want to try mine? Can I try yours? That's really good.
2 hours and 13.
Why is it better? Yours.
I think they were both really good. I just think you're very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Here we go, about to chow on my bagel. That's all. Love it. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are at Joshua Tree Forest. Look at this. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Yeah, I am in love with Joshua Tree Forest. I love Arizona. Like, that's not a surprise. The most beautiful place on planet Earth. I found it. How is this real? Like, this is like the car sign except real, not fake setup. How is this freaking real? Look. In love, in love, in love.
this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected.
Hello, guys. Guys, we did the skywalk, but apparently you can take photos and videos. But we're here. We couldn't even take anything on the skywalk, and they made us wear shoe coverings. That's the skywalk. And most people are afraid to step in the middle because that's like the clear glass. And some people are even like hopping to the sides. They went to the bathroom. It's pretty cool though. Yeah. But yeah, we got photos taken. Can you visit me? We got photos taken. No, we're all good.
Be right in my arms and my favorite part. How you talk in the dark, oh God, there's something about the sound of you is stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said, even though I see that I'm in too deep.
We saw coyotes.
I'm getting every single one. I'm so glad.
We saw coyotes today, and we saw
Which people are constantly pranking and making
a ton of birds, and hi guys, I just love it. I have no words. I just love it. And Joshua Tree, and I just
It's kind of funny. You don't realize how
I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 Yeah. We can keep on going like we haven't seen the end. And living in a dream.
so we're not gonna have a lot of time to get ready. No.
That's the face of a happy girl.
7. It's 2 hours and 50 minutes.
Anyone more falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before.
Hello everybody, welcome. We made it back to our hotel. Long story short, really not a long story, I fell asleep. But that was pretty cool. Fun fact, I've already said this, but I have a very hard time staying in wicked car rides, especially if they're longer than like 35 minutes. Also, because we've had such a long day, so I knocked out. And now we're back here and the sun is setting and things. We have about an hour until we have to leave because we are gonna go have dinner. By the way, we're still in Vegas. We're in the same hotel we were last time. We came back. Yada yada yada. Anyways, but we have about an hour until we have to leave, and we are going to dinner at Hell's Kitchen. So it's a little bit fancier. Anyways, I don't know if I showed you my outfit before I left. Before you went, this is what it was supposed to look like. But then we all know what happened with the wind. If you don't, if I didn't show it. I was supposed to just go with the sports bra, my leggings, my necklaces, whatever, and the shoes, and then just this jacket that I've been wearing pretty much all trip. If you want to know what this is, I probably already said it, but Dutch wear, you know. You feel me? That's just the vibes. Anyways, so I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready and whatever, and my hair's already pretty curled, so I'll probably just do something with it, but yeah, I think I might just do a little transition for y'all. You can tell that I'm tired, I'm straight up out of it. Anyways, see you in a little bit, and that's all I have to say. I'm back. Look at my ponytail. Show you my outfit. Look at this. Obviously my dress, my necklaces. And then I was gonna wear heels. I don't know if I'm still gonna wear heels because yesterday I did and I got a little scratch. So we finished dinner. It was I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm gonna stick my head out over there during this trip. I feel like my blood's pumping. Anyways.
That's a good time.
Yes, do my camera.
Give it to me.
Wait, do you want the handle?
No, not now. I'm already about
Do you want the handle?
go up you.
Go for it.
Oh, Deus. Wow, guys. I'm putting the strap on. Dang. Jeez. Just listen to me casually. Hell's Kitchen.